Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for students. I'll be showing you how to check your teacher's feedback. This includes any comments or grades your teacher has given you. So let's get started. Once you have logged in, you'll see a blue bar at the top. Click the Check Feedback button to the right to see what feedback is available to you. You can also click Feedback at the top. When there is a red dot next to the button, this means you have new feedback to view. Once you've clicked Feedback, you'll see all the tasks that have a grade or a comment for you to see. At first glance, you can see the score that you've received. When you click a task, you'll get more details. This includes the full comment your teachers left you and your score in percentage form. You can use the arrows on the left and right to go through each task that has feedback. And if you'd like to go back to the main list, you can click X in the top left corner. That's it for this video on how to check your teacher's feedback. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy learning!
Ellii.